Crocodiles have several distinguishing features that can help us identify them. 1. Body shape. Crocodiles have a long, streamlined body with narrow, long V-shaped head and a powerful tail that they use to swim through the water. 2. Skin texture. Crocodiles have rough, scaly skin with bony plates called scutes that provide protection from predators. 3. Teeth. Crocodiles have large, sharp teeth. Their fourth tooth on the lower jaw is visible when their mouth is closed. 4. Nostrils. Nostrils located on the tip of their snout which allows them to breathe while mostly submerged in water. 5. Habitat. Crocodiles are found in freshwater and saltwater habitats such as rivers, lakes, swamps, and coastal areas. These are some of the key features that can help us distinguish crocodiles from other types of reptiles.